What if you create a table in Microsoft Access which contains some sorting and organisation, such as all 12 records in this example table here being displayed in numerical order by ID, with the smallest value at the top and the highest value at the bottom. But then when you go to create a report based on the same table, the sorting or organisation of all the reports is inconsistent, and the records are no longer stored in order by ID, for example here. How can we fix this problem? Underneath Home and under View, we can select Design View for our report. Go to left click on Design in the Report Design Tools, and then left click on Group and Sort. A Group, Sort and Total window should appear on screen. I'm going to left click on Add a Sort. For my field option, since we sorted the records by ID in the table in my same Access database, I'm going to left click on the ID field which appears in the selection box. Double click. The same field that you selected should now be displayed in the Group, Sort and Total window. Go back to either Design or Home. Left click on the arrow underneath View and choose Report View. And now all records are rearranged by ID. Back in the Design view, to change the way in which the records are stored, left click from smallest to largest next to the field name and choose a different option. If I want the highest ID value to be stored at the top of my records list in my report and the smallest ID value to be stored at the bottom, I will choose from largest to smallest. And you're done.